Dr. Seuss, green eggs and ham. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam. I am.
No, no, no.
Would you like them here or there? I would not like them anywhere. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Would you, could you, in a car? Eat them, here they are. Could you, would you, on a train?
Wow, 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 wow.
Say, in the dark or in the rain. Could you, would you, with a goat? Would you, could you, on a boat? Try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam. I am. I will eat them in a house. I will eat them with a mouse. And in a car. And in the dark.
Wow, wow, wow.
And in the rain. And I will eat them with a goat. And I will eat them on a boat. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I do so like green egg and ham. Thank you, Sam. I am. Thanks for watching.